Right, look at the inside. It's full of goodness. Look at the chocolate, cranberries, and walnuts. It just looks amazing. It's just goodness all in there. Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. Today I'll share with you my secret recipe for Levain cookies. Many of you would already know what a Levain cookie is. They're the type of cookies that are sold at Levain Bakery in New York. Many people have come up with recipes that resemble the original Levain cookie, but to be honest, there's no right or wrong. The correct one is the one that you like and the one that you find delicious. And the Levain recipe that I'm sharing with you today is the recipe that I like and that I've come up with. So the ingredients: butter, brown sugar and white sugar, eggs, dry ingredients, so that's baking powder, baking soda, all-purpose flour and cake flour, walnuts, cranberry and Couverture chocolate. By the way, all the ingredients need to be at room temperature. So first is the butter. We're going to cream the butter. Then the sugar. Then eggs. Now my sifted dry ingredients. I'm going to stop just before it becomes a single dough, so that gives me time and space to add in my other ingredients here. My walnuts and my cranberries and Couverture chocolate. Mix them into the dough. Have you clicked like and subscribe? My cookies are going to be 150 grams each. Usually Levain cookies are about 180 to about 200 grams, but I just find them that they're just a bit too large for me. So I've reduced that to about 150. Work fairly quickly because your butter will start to melt when you touch it with your hands, and then that's what causes your Levain cookie to become flat in the oven. Right now, this will go in the oven. Right, so here's my Levain cookie, Hanbit's version of Levain cookie. So mine's slightly smaller than the original ones. Mine's at about 150 grams each, whereas the original ones are at about 180 to about 200 grams. They look absolutely gorgeous and fantastic, and I've let them cool down so that I can actually try it. Right, look at the inside. It's full of goodness. Look at the chocolate, cranberries, and walnuts. It just looks amazing. It's just goodness all in there. And now I need to try it. Wow! It's crisp on the outside and it's chewy inside. The walnuts add to the crunchiness and the cranberries actually add to the chewiness. So everything works perfectly well. It's delicious. You have to try it. Well, hope you liked the video and please try my recipe. I'm sure you'll like it. You won't regret it. It's an amazing Levain recipe. Well, until then, thank you very much. 감사합니다.